some of my scanner presets that I use, I look for stocks that are trading with greater than 1 million shares in the pre-market and have also gapped up 2% or down 2% or greater. That's very important for my stock selection process, and you should also always have your own criteria for selecting stocks and not just be trading randomly. You always want volume. Volume is very important. It's what moves the market. So I think greater than 1 million shares as a prerequisite for prepping and trading a stock is a great starting point for anybody who's interested in trading and taking it serious. I used to have it at 500,000, but the way the market moves now and the volume that's coming into the market is a lot different than it was in the past. And 1 million shares, it's like every single stock nowadays has 1 million shares, greater than 1 million shares being traded in the pre-market. It's almost like more people are turning to trading than ever before. So those are two important presets, and I'll be sharing a screenshot of my presets. I use TOS for my scanners, Thinkorswim. So if you did have a Charles Schwab account, or if you don't, you can open up a Charles Schwab account, and then you can apply and download the Thinkorswim software, and you'll be able to have access to those scanners and set the presets that I use. Another thing you want to look for is market news. So you want a catalyst. You want a catalyst for any stock you're trading. You want a reason why the stock is moving the way it's moving. And yeah, we all have our like fave stocks that we go to and you don't really need a catalyst for because you're familiar with the stock and it always has volume and you know how it moves so well, and you can just kind of trade it if there's nothing else to trade, or if the stocks you prep that did have a catalyst don't act the way you want them to and you're just not interested in taking a position. It's always good to have a couple that you can fall back on. So I usually prep 2 or 3 stocks in the morning, and I kind of have my primary that I'm watching, like my main stock, and then I'll have like another screen on the side where I'm paying attention to a secondary. And then if one of those is not performing well, or there's not a lot of volume or good order flow coming into it, I can change the channel and go to my third choice. But it's never more than that. It's usually 2, sometimes 3. You don't want to be watching and prepping too many things, especially when you're using the tape in level 2 to time your entries, because reading tape is very, you need to be focused and you need to be like super like zoomed in on what's going on the tape, and you just can't pay attention to that on multiple stocks. Like, you really have to just be focused on one screen when you're watching tape. I'm going to be sharing free game. I hope you liked the video. If you do have any suggestions or comments or concerns, please don't hesitate. Feel free to drop them in the comment section below. And yeah, as they say in the trading world, keep it green.